Hello guys, for today video guys, I have challenge for Inday. This is glass and then have little bit of water and then I have here a spoon. Inday also she have 1 spoon and little bit of water. This is my challenge of Inday. My challenge is here for what is this? If what I will do, she just follow me what I do. Okay? Okay. This spoon. Put over here. Just follow me and then put down. And then put like this. I like this. Okay, and then put down. And then alam mo to pig. Oh, you put it back here. Not thinking. I told you, if what I do, you just follow me. Oh, mama ko ni mo gi-follow. Inday is drinking your water. And then I put it back.